Hi guys, Dr. Stacey Avakian here with Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland. We're here with Julie today. She's having a little bit of low back pain and she's having some neck pain that's been kind of persistent. She works at a desk on a computer and it's her busy time of year right now, so she's feeling a little more aggravated than normal. So we're going to go ahead and do a general adjustment on her today, which typically helps relieve her discomfort. No pain down your leg, right?
No, right.
Correct.
Correct.
Or not. This just helps to loosen up some of the muscles, break up scar tissue. This is one of the ways that we can adjust and move the bones around without having to do the twisting. Sometimes we do a little bit of both. Your left side actually feels
Yeah, I can feel it
worse.
when you're touching it.
When you're ready, take a nice breath in and all the way out whenever you're ready. Good. So just look straight up at the wall in front and try to relax your shoulder. I know. Okay. Same thing. Just look back, straight up. Relax your shoulder.
It is.
And so that's our adjustment for today. And we'll go ahead and follow up. We'll put a little bit of stim on her and a hot pack to loosen up the muscles, and then a cold pack up top to help with any inflammation in her neck.